Hey guys, it's your teacher, Miss Gonzalez. Hopefully, you guys had a great last week and you got an opportunity to finish all your work. I really enjoyed looking at all of y'all's color wheel creations. I had some really, really great submissions, and you could really tell who put some great effort in it and who didn't. And I still have some that are missing, so I'm waiting on it. I called a bunch of houses this week and spoke to a lot of you and a lot of your moms. And that kind of was a motivator. So I'm glad we are all on the same page. This week's assignment is going to focus on National Library Week, which actually starts tomorrow, April 19th, Sunday, and it runs through Saturday the 25th. So once you get your assignment on Google Classroom, when you open it, it's actually a slideshow that is kind of like a like an agenda, and it has Monday through Friday, and each slide has a lesson posted on there for that day. So it's going to be a little different this week. Instead of having one big assignment, I'm going to break it up into small parts to make it a little bit more manageable for some of you. And you can knock it all out in one day if you want, Monday through Friday, because they're not really difficult assignments. Or you can do a little bit of the assignment per day. Do Mondays on Monday and Tuesdays and so forth. So for Monday, you guys are going to have your lesson. I wrote my notes. You guys are going to focus on a book that was turned into a movie or a series of some sort, and you are going to compare them. And I also gave you a link that gives you a lot of examples. So, like, for example, the After series. A lot of you guys read that book and then it turned into a movie, or those on Netflix, To All the Boys I Loved Before, all those series, those were actually books. And then of course you have like the Harry Potter series and all like the Twilight and like all the million books out there that are actually transformed to a movie. It doesn't have to be a movie, it could be a series like the Netflix series that is out there. So you guys have that, and that's for Monday. Tuesday is National Library Workers Day, so we're actually going to be sending a really cute message that you are going to create on your own to Miss Ince, and we'll talk more about that once we get there. Wednesday is Earth Day, so in honor of Earth Day, you guys are going to be talking about some ebooks, things that help with our planet. Decreasing the use of all paper, so something electronic like an ebook or a magazine, online magazine or newspaper, a news website, and details are on the slide as well. And then Thursday is William Shakespeare's birthday, who's a very famous English playwright and poet. And you guys are actually going to be creating some merchandise, some merch for him. And you guys have two templates that I posted. One of them is a t-shirt that you can create, and the other one is a hydro flask that you can create like a little sticker for. You're going to be using quotes. Or you have the option to use Canva, which we're also going to be discussing this week on another chat. For those of you who've never used it, it's awesome. I've gotten a lot of assignments through Canva, and I'm going to be kind of reaching out to you to be my assistant on that. Hopefully you're willing to do that. And then the last day, Friday, is designing your own spot in the library. If Miss Ince came to you and said, okay, you guys are going to be able to choose one piece of furniture that you can add to our library that's kind of like your go-to spot to read. This is my chair that I just got with my lamp. And so if you could design something cool, what would you order? Like if you could go on Amazon and order it, what would you order for yourself to sit on? It could be a couch, a beanbag, a really cool chair, whatever you guys want. And or you can actually design it from scratch and post a link. So everything has an explanation. Every slide has an explanation. I'm going to be working on little snippets of videos for you to kind of go over more detail in each slide. But my plan for this week is to have live chats with you guys to go over each slide. My plan is to meet with you every day at 3, and I will be sending the link. And every day we're going to be working on that specific slide. That's my goal for this coming week, starting Monday. So for Monday's chat at 3 p.m., when I send you the link, if you want to know how to do that graphic organizer, that Venn diagram that I attached, and you want to get some ideas, on how to upload your pictures in there, or how, or what's a cool book to kind of discuss, or what's a cool series out there, and you kind of want to join me and your fellow students, we're going to do that every day, Monday through Friday, and we will be discussing that slide for the day on your slide. They're all organized for you already. So that's going to be in the works. Monday through Friday, every day at 3, we are going to be having a live chat to work on this together. So nobody has any excuse on, I don't know what to do. I don't understand the video. I don't understand your example. I didn't click on the link, whatever. Everything's going to be done together. So it's just it's on you to wake up, set that alarm, and join me. If you guys have any questions, I know you've gotten really good at emailing me and sending me private messages, and I appreciate that. And I am looking forward to chatting with you as well. So this is just your review for the week. If you have any questions, email me. I will be uploading your assignment shortly, and then some video links to those slides as well. But on Monday through Friday at 3 p.m., you will get a link to join me live, and we will be discussing how to work on your slides. So make sure you're prepared, have your computer ready, so you can be chatting with me and working on it at the same time, so we can get that done together and turned in on time. Hope you have the great rest of the week, and I will see you Monday. Have a good day. Bye, guys. Love you.